If you don't like taking risks but still want wealth, then investing is your golden ticket. Trending or investing, which path to wealth should you choose? Let's break it down. Chasing trends can feel exhilarating. You're in on the latest buzz, the next big thing. But trends are like roller coasters, thrilling yet unpredictable. One minute you're up, the next, you're down. Investing, on the other hand, is like planting a seed. It requires patience and care, but over time it grows into a mighty tree. Exciting? Not always. But reliable? Absolutely. Imagine putting your savings into the latest fad only to watch it fizzle out. Scary, right? Now, picture steadily growing your wealth through smart investments, steady, secure, and stress-free. So here's the question: do you want fleeting excitement or long-term security? The choice could shape your future. Want to know the ultimate strategy to balance both? Stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll reveal the secret formula to mastering trends and investments.